Now we are going to derive a relation, or you can say formula, when a point P is given away from a line and we have to find the distance between the point and the line. Okay. So we are having proved that length of the perpendicular from a point P x1 y1 to a line, equation of a line is given in the general form. You can write it in the form of small a, small b and small c also. Okay. So in the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, this is the formula which I have written, and we have to prove that this is the formula. And remember, this is a very important thing we are going to discuss in many chapters, in this class also, in the next class also. Okay. Now according to the figure, the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 meets x axis at y is equal to 0 and y axis at x is equal to 0 respectively. Now basic thing is that this is an interceptor, okay, for the coordinate axis. Now putting y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 in the equation of line, we get the coordinates capital R, I have already mentioned there, capital R negative of c upon a comma 0 and capital Q with 0 comma negative of c upon b. The intercept form we have already done it. Okay. Now let the point P be x1 y1. Okay. Now first thing, area of triangle. No. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half. Now let's write it first. What are the coordinates? We are having P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 is equal to 0 comma negative of c upon b, and R let it be x3 comma y3 with negative of c upon a comma 0. Okay. So these are the coordinates I have just clearly mentioned. Now the formula which we are going to use, area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2, sorry, let it be area of triangle PQR is equal to half x1 with it will be y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the a formula which we are going to use here. Now this becomes half. Now x1 as it is, and now we have to put y2 and y3, negative of c upon b minus 0 plus x2 is what, 0 with y3 is 0 minus y1, 0 minus y1 plus x1, x2 and x3. x3 is negative of c upon a with y1 minus y2. Okay, y1 minus y2 is which one? y2 is this one. So this becomes plus c upon b. Okay, so this becomes now 1 upon 2 negative of c x1 by b. This whole term becomes 0. Negative of c y1 upon a, negative of c square upon a b. Is it clear? And further to this we can write it. Now this is equal to, we can write it a, taking LCM. Okay, taking LCM we are having a x1 plus b y1 plus c with c upon 2ab. Now this is in the absolute form, in the mod, so I have just deleted all the negative signs. Is it clear? Due to the absolute form, I have just taken all the positive signs. Negative is common, so negative becomes positive. Okay, if you wish you can write it here. In the next step again we are going to delete it. Okay, so let this be 1. Now area of triangle PQR is equal to half times, now it is QR, half times PN. Okay, now using the distance formula, what we are having? We got half. Now using the distance formula, it will be, we can write it under the root. Now QR under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, these are the coordinates. Now because q and r we have taken it as a x2 and x3, so just change it. We will be writing x3 minus x2 and y3 minus y2. Okay, so now minus c by a, 0 minus 0 whole square, so this becomes c square upon a square plus c square upon b square times Pn. 2. Now both are the area of triangle. Here we have used the formula directly to find the area of a triangle when perpendicular is there. Here we have used the coordinate geometry. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, half times square root of c square upon a square plus c square upon b square times Pn is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c with c upon twice of ab, or Pn is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon square root of a square plus b square. On solving, we will be getting this as a formula. Required result. So learn this formula.